Looking for the best phone to purchase in 2024? The options are endless, but here are the top 5 phones that stand out this year. First on our list is the Google Pixel 7a, an unlocked Android cell phone. This smartphone comes with a wide-angle lens that captures stunning high-quality images. With a robust 24-hour battery life, you don't need to worry about running out of charge in the middle of your day. It boasts a generous 128 GB storage capacity and comes in an elegant, understated charcoal shade. The Google Pixel 7a offers a seamless user experience, making it a top contender in 2024. Next up is the Motorola Moto G Power 5G, a phone designed for the US with a whopping 256 GB storage. This phone, released in 2023, stands out with its 50-megapixel camera that captures every detail in stunning clarity. It's encased in a sleek mineral black body, measuring 163.06 x 74.8 x 8.45 mm. If you're after a phone with a powerful camera, the Motorola Moto G Power 5G is a solid choice. Third on our list is the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. This A-series cell phone combines an AMOLED display with expandable storage, offering both user-friendly features and flexibility. Its Knox security ensures your data stays safe, while super-fast charging means you can power up in no time. And with its stylish blue-black design, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is as good-looking as it is functional. The fourth phone to consider in 2024 is the Google Pixel 8. This unlocked Android smartphone features an advanced pixel camera that takes high-quality photos. Its 24-hour battery life and powerful security features keep you connected and protected all day long. Plus, its obsidian color adds a touch of sophistication to your handheld device. The Google Pixel 8 offers users an upgraded experience from its predecessors. Finally, we have the Apple iPhone 8 with 64 GB storage. This unlocked phone comes in a classic gray shade that never goes out of style. Despite being a few models behind, the iPhone 8 remains a reliable choice with its intuitive interface and high-quality construction. In conclusion, whether it's the Google Pixel 7a with its wide-angle lens, the Motorola Moto G Power 5G with its powerful camera, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G with its AMOLED display and super-fast charging, the Google Pixel 8 with its advanced pixel camera, or the classic Apple iPhone 8, there's a phone to suit everyone's needs in 2024.